The ghost in the feed, slaves to the trend. 1. The trap of the recommendation feed. London lay under its customary canopy of grey, the light pallid and mean. Noah hunched at his desk. The laptop's glow cut rectangles across his face, spectacles catching the glare like a pair of watchful eyes. His fingers drummed a restless rhythm on the wood, nervous code, boredom rehearsed until it sounded like a pulse. He lived online, a conductor of transient fame, yet with every scroll a coldness threaded itself through his chest, a tightening, the tongue dryness of someone who's heard the wrong clock. Notifications chimed with automatic cheer. One unfamiliar account, its avatar a blank silhouette, uncoiled across the feed. The clip began unbidden, stuttering with deliberate menace. An intersection he knew, the underground mouthpiece. A car through a red, a cyclist thrown, and beneath it a timestamp, tomorrow. Noah shut the lid with a snap that echoed. Night made small noises, sirens, the hum of traffic, and sleep slid away like rain down a pane. Dawn arrived, bruised and punctual. The radio cut into his kitchen. An accident, the details exact. His hand shook, the mug hit tile and exploded into white confetti. He stood among shards, breath short, the city's CCTV glare suddenly intimate. Who or what watched from that anonymous account? Somewhere in the vast dark of servers and screens, someone had already seen tomorrow. The certainty sat in him like a stone.